we're going to have our basic LLM chain, which just means sending this information to Claude and generating the markdown. The markdown is going to be all this text right here, which is pretty much the documentation. And if you've never used a basic LLM chain, it's a way for us to use different models. It's pretty much a message a model step. So if you've ever used OpenAI message a model step, you're going to see that you have the option to put different prompts in here with different roles to get a response. If you look in here, we have a prompt or user message, and then we can add a system message. So for an LLM chain, your system message you want it to be your main prompt, and then your prompt, you want it to be where you map the input. So for example, here, the two inputs I'm giving it is the workflow screenshot description, which is what I'm grabbing from analyzing image, and then a video transcript, which is just coming in from the combined transcript. And my main prompt is quite a bit long, but it's just giving it different guidelines on how the documentation needs to be written. This is a prompt that I generated using Claude AI. Claude AI is super great to generate prompts. As you see, it has generated it with a nice markdown format, which is also a very good format for LLMs to understand what's going on. So quickly skimming through this, we're giving it what their input material is. So the video transcript and a workflow screenshot description. Then we have a documentation structure on how we want the documentation to be structured, how to write the node by node configuration, error handling, testing validation, some formatting requirements, special instructions. Again, the prompt is going to be inside the blueprint, so feel free to read it if you decide to set this up yourself. But then that's all you need to set up in this screen right here.